To resize rows in Sheets, select the rows that you want to resize by clicking and dragging. Then right-click on any of the selected rows and go to Resize. If you're doing it for printing, I would change it to about 50. And then you can change the size of your text. And when you print it, it'll show up better. To print just what you've filled in, select only the cells that you want to show up. Click Print and go to Selected Cells. Then you can fit to width or fit to height. That will put it all on one page. And if you choose landscape or portrait based on how many rows and columns you have, you can make it fit better.